Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you viral on TikTok. So for this you can just have to open firstly TikTok app on this Android device. So make sure when you uploaded a video, some strategies to uploading. So here you can just open to upload. Choose the random any video. So I can tell you, please don't skip the video until its end. Watch carefully. So here you can open the browser and TikTok hashtag trending 2024. From here you can just open this uh, hashtag hook on the first one. So from here you can just scroll down a little bit, so you will be able to see hashtags which is most popular and viral. So from here you can just pick 6 to 7 hashtags. You can just to copy it from here. So you can choose copy from 1 to 5. It's enough, copy it and just go and open again TikTok, and from here you paste it in the hashtag section and click to the most popular is 1.9 million and just click to upload. So once it's complete, so from here you can just, once it's upload, you can just see from 1 to 2 hour your video is on viral and views got. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.